Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, we will discuss about the question answers of chapter 2, that is plants habitat. So, first question from B, give short answers. So, the first question is, on what basis can different plants be classified? So the answer is different plants can be classified on the basis of their habitat. Question number 2, that is what is adaptation. So living beings develop some features that help them to survive and flourish in their habitat. This property is called adaptation. You can write in your own word also, that is animals or living beings modify themselves to live in their habitat and survive there. This property is called, or this modification is called adaptation. Now comes the question number 3, that is give two features of plants of plain region. Two features of plants of plain region are, number 1, leaves are flat and thin, and number 2, shed leaves in winter and new leaves grow in spring season. These are the two characteristics or two features of plants of plain region. Now comes the question number 4. What are the saprophytic plants? So we all know that the plants that take their nutrition from the dead and decaying matter are called saprophytic plants, like mushroom and fungi, and there are several other plants also. Next question number C. Answer the following questions. What are the special features of submerged aquatic plants? Here they are asking the special features of submerged aquatic plants. So the answer is, the special features of submerged aquatic plants are, their leaves are narrow. They have narrow leaves. Roots remain fixed in the ground. Stems are very delicate and flexible. So these are the examples of submerged aquatic plants like hydrilla and tape grass. Now comes the question number 2. What are breathing roots? How do these help the marshy plants? So the roots of mangroves grow above the soil because air cannot reach their roots. And these roots are called breathing roots. These roots have small holes at their tip by which they absorb oxygen from the atmosphere. Now comes the next question. How does a cactus survive in desert? So cactus modify its body to survive in the desert. Like number 1, leaves reduce to spine. Their roots grow very well in the ground to absorb water. Photosynthesis will take place in the steam, green steam. Okay class. Next question. How does a Venus flytrap plant trap insects? So as we know, Venus flytrap plant is an insectivorous plant. So Venus flytrap plants are like a trap. These plants are like a trap. When an insect sits on the trap, the surface is sticky and the insect is stuck on this surface, and then the Venus flytrap closes its leaves and the insect is caught in the Venus flytrap plants. Next question. D. Give two examples of each of the following. Number 1, plants that grow on hill. So deodar and spruce. Number 2, underwater plants. So hydrilla and tape grass. Plants that grow in desert, cactus, date palm. Insectivorous plants, Venus flytrap, pitcher plant. Now comes the HOTS, higher order thinking skills. Number 1, can a deodar or spruce tree grow in desert? Give reason to your answer. The answer is no. These plants are adapted to live in cold areas, mountain areas, so they will not survive in lack of water. Next question. What would happen if mangroves have normal roots instead of breathing roots? The answer is mangrove plants. The roots of mangrove plants will not grow properly because they don't get air because of the marshy areas. So class, I hope you all are able to understand this video lecture. Any problem, ask me. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.